Carolina, South Central Columbus County in southeastern North Carolina, Central Horry County in northeastern South Carolina, South Central Marion County in northeastern South Carolina, until 5:15 p.m. At 3:18 p.m., Doppler radar indicated areas of heavy rain that will cause minor flooding in the advisory area. Up to 3 inches of rain have already fallen in spots from Longwood through Goretown, Hammond, Homewood, and PD Crossroads. Some locations that will experience flooding include Conway, Homewood, Adrian, PD Crossroads, Bug Hill, Britton's Neck, Nixonville, Dongala, Wampy, Goretown, Hand, Longs, and Hammond. Additional rainfall of 2 inches could fall over the area through 5 p.m. This additional rain will result in minor flooding. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, country roads, farmland, and other low-lying spots. The urban and small stream flood advisory remains in effect until 5:30 p.m. for central Moore and Hope counties.